home remedies that will cure burns. All of us have those small yet very painful burns by touching the microwave or hot utensils suddenly. This is very common while doing daily household chores. But the bad thing is that although it looks very minor, but the pain's a lot. And we cannot do other works until it heals up completely. Imagine you had a small spot on your finger and you keep working with it, getting a touch of water or soap again and again. Let me tell you, your the arm which you thought it's ignorable would turn into your worst nightmare, as it would develop infection. First, mint toothpaste. You can easily get in touch with the fire while working in the kitchen, suddenly touching something hot without a pot holder or dipping the hand in burning water. Whatever is the reason, treat your hand with any toothpaste containing mint. First, cool it down with cold water and then apply swiftly on the area affected after drying it with a soft towel. This is the best natural home remedies for burns. Second, vanilla. Vanilla is useful in treating minor burns which only affects the upper surface of your skin, acting as a home remedy for burns. Dab a cotton swab in vanilla extract and rub it on your wound. It will reduce pain by giving cooling effect by the evaporation of alcohol in vanilla extract. Third, tea bags. You can use normal tea bags or chamomile tea bags if available to minimize the pain caused by burns. It also helps in feeding the scar left soon and makes your skin look the same way as it was before the burn. And effective home remedies for burns. Take a tea bag and soak them in the warm water and then keep it on the burnt area for some water. You will feel a sense of relief as soon as you remove it. Fourth, black tea. Tannic acid present in the black tea makes it extremely powerful home remedies for burns. The extract prepared by soaking few tea bags in the cup of water and boiling that water can be applied to affected skin, which will definitely heal better after the application. Fifth, white vinegar. White vinegar acts as a natural pain reliever due to the presence of acetic acid in it. It has the capacity to reduce the pain, itching, and inflammation of the burn. In addition to it, it is also an antiseptic and astringent which keeps your burn free from infections. The best option for the home remedies for burns, you can dip a cotton cloth in a vinegar diluted with water. Gently apply this cloth on the burn for quick action.
Thanks for watching.